this is Lakshmi and my brand name is Sutri. So we are based in Gurgaon, so whosoever wants to visit our place, they can come to our place also. So our booking number is the same 8287433379. On this number you can call us also for any kind of query, and for any kind of booking also you can WhatsApp me on the same number. This number is mentioned on the screen as well. For the payment options, we provide PhonePe, GPay, bank transfer, Paytm, all the payment options are available. And for CODs, we also provide CODs as well, but for COD there will be 100 rupees extra charge, and you need to pay 300 rupees as advance payment, and the rest of the amount will be COD. So today I will be showcasing you the Maheshwari silk or handloom pieces, which is in a check design. So this is a two pedal. Two pedal means only one thread of vertical and the horizontal it's been used. So this is going to be your top. If I talk about the measurement, it will be a 2.5 meter each for top and dupatta. This will be a border which you will get, which you can use anywhere. Like I have used this golden border as a neckline. Some people use like hair side also, and on the sleeves I have used. So in this you will get these kind of vertical lines. These kind of vertical lines will be there. So this is going to be your look for the top. And on the dupatta also you will get these Madras check. These design is famous for the Madras checks. So this is your dupatta with a combination of the pink color. So this is your exactly the purple color. Okay. So this is going to be your look for your color number 1. For the booking, you just need to take the screenshot of the product, whichever you like. So this is your top. Let's move on to the another color. This is a beautiful kind of grayish color with the pink border. So this is your top with again the vertical lines. This is kind of that color, grayish color, and with the beautiful combination of this pink color. This is your check. This is going to be your look. If I talk about the price is 2990 for the top and the dupatta, and for bottom, as I informed you, 350 rupees for the cotton bottom. Look, I am wearing a cotton bottom. So this is going to be your cotton bottom, which is looking good. And then for the cotton silk, you need to pay 400 rupees extra. Okay. In this is a beautiful combination of yellow color, the lemon yellow color, and the kind of this light pink shade or lavender shade, you can say, sorry. So this is your top with the beautiful combination again with the pink check. So again the price is the same. For the booking you just need to WhatsApp me on the same number which is shown on the screen. So this is also a very pretty color. It's a pure handloom piece by cotton piece in a Madras check design. So let's move on to the orange color. Nowadays orange color is everybody's favorite now. So this is your beautiful orange shade with again you will get the pinkish color border, and this is your top. And this is going to be your dupatta. So this is going to be your dupatta with the beautiful pink border. Okay. In this you will get a broad border comparatively. Okay. This border, Resham Zari border, is a broad border. Price is again the same, 2990 for the top and dupatta, and extra charges for the bottom. Next color, this is light purple shade, you can say. So this is your beautiful color with the pink border again, and Then this is going to be your look of the suit. See, this is your dupatta. Dupatta you top, these zari you can use anywhere, wherever you like. And this is going to be your top and dupatta. Let's move on to, this is a kind of peach color and with a beautiful pink combination only. And here's the look for the dupatta. This is going to be your look. Top and dupatta will be 2.5 meter. Price is going to be 2990. So this is your look. Okay. In these designs we have right now only these colors available. Anybody who wants to book these pieces, they just need to take a screenshot of the color they want and they can share me on the WhatsApp number which is shown on the screen. This is a kind of peach color and with a beautiful pink combination only. And here's the look for the